In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Airtm to bank account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Airtm gives you the option to withdraw to many different methods, including a bank account. So to start, open Airtm either through a PC, laptop, or even a mobile device, and go over to the withdraw option. You can find it here at the left side of the screen or in the home screen. So choose either of these withdrawal buttons. And now select from which account you will be withdrawing the money from, and finally the payment method itself. In here, search for the word bank or look through the methods and it should be the first one to pop up. When you choose bank, you might have to specify the bank that you are withdrawing to. So in this example here, South Africa Bank, but you will find plenty of other options. So choose bank and then specify your bank. Once again, you will see how much you have on your RTM account. In this example here, there is no balance on the account, but of course you would have it. And then you can see the bank that you selected. And finally, the funds to send from the RTM account, which will dynamically update how much you will be receiving. So all that you have to do is input how much you want to send, and the amount that you will be receiving in your own local currency is going to appear. Once the amount is here, you can scroll down, make sure to check for any included fees, and as long as you are aware of how much you will be receiving and you want to proceed, the continue button will be available. You can confirm this transfer and it is going to be complete for you. So all that you need to do after that point is wait until you receive the funds on your bank account of choice. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.